Hello friends, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to my channel. I thank all the subscribers and viewers also. So today a simple Maths Olympiad challenge. Solve square root 17 plus x minus 8 times of square root x plus 1 plus square root of 5 plus x minus 4 times of square root of plus x plus 1 again equals to 6. So it is clearly understandable that we can take square root of x plus 1 equals to t, but the condition is t should be greater than equals to 1. Then x plus 1 is t square, or x is equals to t square minus 1. Then we'll simplify each of this expression. First is 17 plus x minus 8 square root x plus 1. It will be 17 plus t square minus 1 minus 8t. This equals to t square minus 8t plus 16. This is nothing but t minus 4 whole square. In the same way, second one, 5 plus x minus 4 times of square root x plus 1 equals to 5 plus t square minus 1 minus 4t, that equals to t square minus 4t plus 4. This is t minus 2 whole square. So ultimately the equation is now square root t minus 4 whole square plus square root t minus 2 whole square equals to 6. T minus 4 whole square plus t minus 2 whole square equals to 6. So if we will solve it, this gives us modulus t minus 4 plus modulus t minus 2 equals to 6. So this gives us many options. One is t greater than 4, greater than equals to 4. In this condition, this is case 1. So that time I'll get t is greater than 4 means it is greater than 2. So both will be positive. Then it will be t minus 4 plus t minus 2 equals to 6, or twice t minus 6 equals to 6, or 2 times of t equals to 12 and t equals to 6. In the second condition, t is greater than equals to 2 and less than equals to 4, case 2. So that time t minus 4 will be negative. So I'll write 4 minus t, and t minus 2 will be positive. So this will be t minus 2 equal to 6. So it is clearly visible that there will be no solution. And the third case is when t is less than equals to 2, so that time both are negative. So this will be 4 minus t plus 2 minus t equals to 6. So that time again t gives is 0, which was not condition because we have written that t is greater than equals to 1. So this is not possible. So there is only options we have, that is t is equals to 6. So t equals to 6. T equals to 6 means square root x plus 1 equals to 6, or x plus 1 equals to 36, or x is equals to 35. So only solution of this question equals to 35 solution. Thank you for watching. Please keep on watching.